Today we'll see now how to automate the URLs, the links present on the application. So maybe on this application or any other applications, you find different links which you can click towards different functionalities. So after launching this Facebook, you want to click on this link. We'll inspect this link, forgot account. I just right clicked on it. We are looking into the properties of it. So the tag is here A tag. A means anchor tag having the property href. So it means when you click over this link where it is referring. And that's it, no other properties, and a text. What is the text over the link? Forgotten account with question mark. So that's your link text. So with this link text, you can click over the link, right? So I can find an element based on this link text. I copied this text. We go and call the method with driver instance, driver dot. You need to find that web element, right? Find element method by dot. So by how you're going to call that or find that element, web element, it's a link text. Link text and pass the text to it within double quotations. So this is a web element now. So this web element you can assign to a variable. Forgot is the web element name, and import this class from the Selenium package. Okay, so you can now give an action like forgot dot web element dot. It's a link, so you need to give a click action. So click. So automatically your script will click on the forgot account here. That particular page will be displayed like this. So not only this link, you have different other links also. If you see here, terms page, terms link is there. Terms, data policy, cookies policy, create a page, different links are there. Now, if I click on this terms page, it's opening the terms page on a new tab, not on the same tab. So Facebook is here. If you click, it's opening a new tab here, terms, where you need to, where you see the details about terms and conditions, right? Data policy also opening a new page. Means these new pages are how they have been generated from the main page. So you can call this main page as a parent page, and these are child pages. Okay. Now what we will do is to get that page, you have to click on these links, right? Inspect them. So I'm inspecting data policy. It's an anchor tag, right? Having href. Oh, this also has some ID, target, and some text. Now you can find this element either with ID also or with link text as well. Okay, so if with ID, if you're finding it, copy this value. I'll just comment this line, even though it is finding, not a problem. I'm not calling the click, because if I click, it will be on the next page where you don't see these links, right? It will be on the next page. Therefore, I've commented it. Driver.find by dot. If it is ID, you have to pass the ID. Okay, this is a web element. Now you know, instead of variable, I can call the next action on this value, click. This is also valid. So I don't want to use this ID. We want to check with how this link text works. Data policy. Driver.find by dot link text, and pass the text of the link and call the click action. So whichever option is there, the execution would be the same, right? And I'm just I would click. After clicking, after some time, thread dot sleep 2000 milliseconds, that is 2 seconds time period. After that, I want to close it. So driver dot close method. Now we'll see the output of this. It's launching the Chrome driver. So from here, it has to find the data policy link, click. Once it clicks, you see a new window opened, data policy. And because of close, you can see the main Facebook page is closed, right? And this child page is left. So with this click, what happens? Parent window is closed. Okay, I'll just comment this line. Now you know this is how data policy work. There is also, if you see the list of locators, link text, even partial link text is also available. Partial value, pass the text partially, like driver dot find element by dot. You have a partial link text and pass the data to it. So data is nothing but instead of passing the whole text, you can pass partial data with a space and call the click action. Now why this partial link text is, today if the Facebook is having the link name is data policy, if from the developer end, tomorrow if they modify to data terms and conditions or data info or data details, something like that. So at least based on the half information, it has to find this link and your script should execute. So that's the reason you can also use this partial link text. Now after clicking, instead of driver.close, you have one more method, driver.quit. We'll see what is the behavior of this quit. So because of quit, the whole window, the parent as well as the child window got closed.